Fluent Pro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects project management system data. Fluent Pro Backup automatically backs up data in your Asana system according to your schedule. Let's review how to restore data from the backup. To do this, let's first go to Asana and delete a project. Open the Fluent Pro Backup app and head to the Data Protection page. Here, you can find all project backups. We will find our project, set the time frame, and select the latest backup copy of this project for the selected date. Click the Restore button. There are several options for restoring the project. The first is to restore it as a copy of a project. The next is Recovery with the data merge. The last option is to delete a project from Asana before restoring it. Let's select the second option, Recovery with data merge. Click the Restore Now button. On the Operation Details page, you can monitor the status and review the summary of all operations launched within Fluent Pro Backup. There is an option to initiate the restoration process for multiple projects. Open the Backup Summary page from the Operation Details page and click the Restore button. The restoration operation has now been completed successfully. Open Asana and verify the project was indeed restored. As you can see here, the project, its tasks, and field values were fully restored. For more information about Fluent Pro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.